Alrighty, everybody, Michael Alder here from the landflippingformula.com. In this video, I just want to give you a quick overview on how to research your property, do a little bit of due diligence on the front end before you make a decision to buy. So let's say you want to invest in New Mexico. We do tons of deals in New Mexico. So first things first, you start researching your properties. And let's say you found a decent price tag and you want to know a little more. So we have Valencia County, New Mexico. Let's scroll down here. They were asking $800 for a quarter acre. This is a little expensive for this area on a cash deal, but that's okay. We're going to go ahead and do our research and we can make an offer on this. So they did a great job of providing a video, property details. They're giving us all this information about it. Everything looks great. We got the GPS coordinates, legal description, all that fun stuff. Now, maybe you just want to double check what they are providing to make sure it's all legit and on the up and up. So here is what you would do. We have right here the parcel number. So next we want to go to the county site and just make sure everything lines up with the county site there. So just do a Google search. You could do Valencia County Auditor. Whatever county you're looking in, just go ahead and do a Google search of the auditor, the assessor, whatever the case is. Go ahead and click on that. And full disclosure, some websites are way easier to search than others, and I'm going to do tons of follow-up videos showing how to handle that and how you can get more results on some of these dated counties that don't know what online technology is. But we're in Valencia County, New Mexico, assessor's page right now. We're going to click this property record search. We're going to enter their Eagle Web. And then right here, where it's requesting parcel number, we're going to go back to the property we were looking at. You got to bear with me. I have a broken wrist, so I'm moving slow here. Put that in there. We're going to get rid of all these dashes. All right, I'm going to scroll down, search it out. And it looks like it's owned by Camilla Bush, Rio del Oro, lot 13, block 22, unit 15, quarter acre. I do remember that one being a quarter acre. Let's make sure the legal lines up. Yep, legal lines up. Everything's good. So far their legal description's good. We got to confirm the owner. And then next what you want to do is you can go over to the treasurer's office and you can search it out over here just to make sure the taxes are current, or if they're back, how much in back taxes are owed, and just kind of do your basic due diligence. Now, this is a quick overview on how to check on your properties, see who owns them, make sure the legal descriptions line up, the parcel numbers line up, all the sizes and everything. So we're all good and simple on that. You definitely want to check these things out on the front end, and then I'll show you how to go much deeper on this so you know you're making good investments, dealing with good people, and really expanding your portfolio the right way. So if you want to learn more about investing in raw land, check the links below this video. I have a link for the land flipping formula. It shows how I buy and sell land every single week in my business, as well as wholesale deals we have available on our sites like rawlandinvestments.com and reallycheapland.com. Feel free to comment below with any questions. I'll create a video answering them for you.